Hi there, welcome to the channel VinIQ. Today we'll be talking about one subject called as environmental studies, otherwise environment. So many people would be talking about these changes occurring in the environment in the form of a trending concept called as climate change. Without knowing much about it, many people across the globe would be talking about the changing trends in the climate and how this climate change is going to adversely affect the human beings and their quality of life. So let me try to simplify the concept of environment and environmental degradation further. So this is going to be a series of discussions across our channel. So this is going to be the first of such kind. So what is environment here? Primarily, environ is a French term, or environner is a French term, etymologically speaking, which means the interactions between living organisms and their surroundings, whatever surrounds living organisms, and the interactions between living organisms and their surroundings in general would be the subject matter of environment. The French term environner means to surround, to wrap around, that which envelops us. So in general, this includes interactions between living organisms, which include plants, animals, and microorganisms, and their non-living surroundings in the form of the physical, chemical, or any kind of energy related matter. So all these things put together which are present on the earth to support life would become subject matter of environment. So you must have also heard about a term called as ecology. So what is ecology and why the term ecology often is used in conjunction with or complementary to the term environment? So ecology here is a word which etymologically is oikos and logos. What is oikos here? Oikos in Latin means the habitat or the home, and logos or ology means scientific study through logic and reason. So oikos means our habitat, that means our home, that means whatever surrounds us and our interaction with our surroundings. So environment and ecology have more or less similar perspectives about our life. Here we will be talking about what is environment, what are the different components of environment, that is in the form of living components and non-living components. We call them as biotic components and abiotic components, and interactions between biotic and abiotic components, and what are the processes which enable interactions between biotic and abiotic components as fundamental concepts would be discussed. And then we would also be talking about environmental degradation, that is decrease in the quality of our surroundings, directly affecting the quality of life of living organisms and including their health and disease statuses. So here we'll be talking about natural reasons for environmental degradation, and more specifically we'd be talking about human induced reasons or anthropological reasons for environmental degradation. Here environmental degradation is studied under two different headings. Number one is short-term environmental degradation, which most popularly is referred to as pollution, which often is short-term and reversible type of environmental degradation. And the next type of environmental degradation is long-term environmental degradation, which is popularly known as irreversible form of environmental degradation, otherwise known as climate change, which in general is used in conjunction with or complementary to the word global warming or greenhouse effect. So all these words, though are different from each other, have similar philosophical perspectives. And we would also be talking about the concept of biological diversity, that is, variety of living organisms present on the earth in different regions, including plants, animals, and microorganisms. And in the discussion of biological diversity, we would be talking about importance or significance of biological diversity globally, benefits of biological diversity to human beings, and threats which is in general leading to the loss of biological diversity globally, and what is the need and what are the methods to protect, to conserve biological diversity globally, which also includes wetlands, that is Ramsar Convention. We would be talking about all these elements in biological diversity conservation through protected area network concept. Along with that, we would be including a brand new topic called as sustainable development along with sustainable development goals. Now, for whom are all these things beneficial would be number one, general or common people who want to increase their knowledge or awareness or scientific perspective about the changes occurring in their surroundings, or school going children for whom this can be very useful topic in their education, or literary pursuits. Next, the most important target audience concerned with this discussion would be about those students who are preparing for various competitive examinations like UPSC Civil Service Examination and various other state public service commission examinations. So all these people would be benefited because of this discussion. In our channel VinIQ, we would be conducting a series of classes or series of discussions to explain about all essential concepts and their applications in the field of environment or ecology. So here we'll be talking about normal environmental components and the consequences of environmental degradation too. Along with many previous year questions would also be discussed here, with a value addition of contemporary developments which are happening around now. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and please give your valuable feedback in the comment section below. Thank you.